What I'm doing is working on forging out some cable Damascus billet this evening. It's not really evening yet. It's about 5 o'clock on Friday afternoon here in Lafayette, Alabama. I'm just here's one piece that I've already forged out. It's going to get turned into a knife a little bit later. You can see good solid all the way through. This is actually the other half of that piece of cable. I get them in 1 foot test sections. One of these is actually going to be for somebody that had already ordered it, and then the other is actually I'm going to forge out a knife for the guy that gets me the cable as a thank you. Typically listen to, out here it's Joy FM coming out of Atlanta, Georgia. It's a Christian contemporary radio station. I'll help keep my mind right, keep me focused where I need to be. And a lot of music's good, upbeat. I don't mind talking and stuff that's on it. Put these back on. Basically what I'm doing right now is just setting up this back half of the billet. I've got a couple little trims that didn't tack too well, so I want to make sure everything else is set up good. Apologize for not having more content and stuff on a regular basis. I'm working on getting an upgraded internet. It was originally supposed to be installed this morning. Got an email 2 days ago after I'd already canceled my previous provider, and they let me know that, well, it'll be the 28th of this month before they can get it out to me. So I'm making do with what I got, uploading the videos and all off my phone, doing it that way while I can. I'll still get at least one a week for you guys, but after I get the upgraded internet, I should be able to start doing a little bit of live feeds and stuff, so y'all can catch things like this live that I'm working. I'll bring the laptop out, set it up and all to where I can answer questions for anybody that jumps on me. I've got 53, 54 subscribers. I appreciate you guys and all, and for those of y'all that will interact, I'll be looking forward to it, and looking forward to growing the channel and answering any questions, being of any help that I can. Right? Just rotating the bar in there so it heats both sides evenly. I picked up 250 pounds of coal the other day, so looking forward to that. It'll hold me for at least a couple of weeks. Got a message from Mud Bums earlier. They sold the first 3 cleavers already, and will be contacting me soon to order some more knives. I'm definitely looking forward to that. It was enjoyable. I enjoyed working those. Like I said, it gave me the idea of how to change up a little bit and be a little bit more productive by hammering out some of the things that are real similar in shape, size, and stuff, to get better at doing the repetitious work than I guess you could say honing my skills to be more accurate. It was funny, I think it was Ty over at Purgatory Ironworks said, he had his mentor forged out something, all the mentor looked at it and everything, and all chucked it out the window and said, all right, go forge a couple more just like it. And so it's a testament to your skills when you're able to forge out things so close that most people can't see the differences. Especially, well, like with knives, I can't use jigs. Not for forging out a blade. I can for bevels, but I still freehand my bevels. I enjoy it, and I've had people actually compliment me on how centered my cutting edge and all is on my knives and stuff. And I told them, they asked me, man, how do you get it so dead center? And I told them, well, honestly, I just eyeball it. But when I first started out, I was using a jig, and I would score them and mark them. And I told them, I said, there's a way that you can score it where you'll see, you've got a little line on each side. You grind it down to that, and I'll actually go back and measure how far up on the side of the flats the bevel comes and everything to make sure that they're pretty close. My main thing is I want the edge geometry to be right, because if not, the knife just doesn't cut right. Alright, that should be a pretty solid billet, except for a couple of pieces that didn't, right there, they didn't forge weld in, and right there, but everything else looks pretty solid. So I'll let this cool down, grind it up, clean it up, and see how it looks. And I'll post pics of that on the Forge page on Facebook a little later. Made some updates on my web page. Don't forget, if you feel like it and all, go take a look at my Teespring storefront, Fire Pit Forge. The pictures and stuff and all on those shirts and all are a lot of the knives, some of the things that I've done.
They are super frustrating and can be very difficult to get rid of.
Appreciate you guys tuning in.
Great remedies. I'd love to hear about.
Really appreciate the comments. If you've got any ideas of some stuff that you'd like seen forged here and there, shoot me a comment. All right. You guys have a blessed one. I'll talk to you later on. Bye-bye.